But let's deep dive into that and let's understand that at this point in time, how should you trade the markets on the index level and what are the stocks that you can have an eye on. And for all of this, we are being joined by Mr. CA Rudramurthy of Achna Investments. Very good afternoon and thank you so much for your time. First of all, give us a sense on the markets, then on the benchmark indices. It's been a quiet day for both the benchmark indices, but in the second half, how do you see the action panning out?
Good afternoon, Srushti, and thanks for having me in the show. First of all, what rally we have seen from the oversold zone for last 2 days. You have seen Nifty going up by about 1,000 points from those lows of around 23,200, and Bank Nifty has also participated last 2 days in this rally. But if you see portfolio wise, most of the mid cap and small cap stocks, they have not moved at all or hardly for last 2 days. Overall, if you see in broader market, the move has not been equivalent to that of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now I'm very clear, Nifty should cross 24,550 to 24,600 level, and then only I will call that yes, this down move is over and market has now recovered. But till we cross the 24,550 to 24,600 level, I am still of the opinion that every rise will be sold into, and I understand last 2 days of rally which was there, that is now more cushion for bears to sell here. And also if you see Bank Nifty level, we have to cross 52,600, which has been one of the recent highs from where market fell. Until you cross 52,600 on Bank Nifty and also Nifty 24,600, this market will still remain for me a sell on rise market. And I'm very clear, earnings has been very bad and disappointing this quarter, and unless we see some recovery in earnings next quarter and also budget to come in February, all-time highs may not come very soon. And keep aside Nifty and Bank Nifty, seeing back the portfolio stocks to come back at all-time highs, it will take much more time.
We are seeing a lot of buying action when it comes to the FMCG names like be it Bata India, Colgate, Marico, Berger Pins. Do you expect the defensives to outperform from here on?
Yes, Saumit, I definitely agree with you. One should not feel like I'm really bearish on this market, but that has been my view at current market price. No doubt last week when we were highly oversold, I was on the buy camp and we saw 1,000 points rally in Nifty in just 2 trading days, which I never expected. But now if you want to be on the buy side, I'm very clear the sectors to choose will be number one, IT. IT as a sector will do good even from current level. Banks will still definitely do good. It's a choice whether you want to pick private banks or public banks, and a lot of names are available there. And similarly, for me, the third best sector to pick at current market price, keeping in mind the defensives, will be FMCG, crude coming down, and also these stocks have already done enough of correction and now you see some amount of valuation comfort. So yes, FMCG will definitely do good. And if you are a buyer in this market and you want to buy the dip for your long-term portfolio, pick stocks from IT. I like Wipro, I like Tech Mahindra at current market price. Persistent System also looks good. And if you want to pick from banks, private banks, yes, HDFC Bank and ICICI banks are my top pick. And if you want to pick from public sector bank, no doubt it will be SBI at the top and then followed by Canara Bank as well as PNB. And if you want to pick from FMCG, yes, definitely you can pick up stocks like Tata Consumer, ITC, Hindustan Unilever. These are all stocks which can do good. And for me, even OMC is another sector where you will benefit because of crude oil prices coming down. And it's a matter of choice. And I would pick Hind Petro or HPCL as my top pick from OMC, followed by BPCL and then IOC. So remain with IT, remain with banks, remain with FMCG and with OMCs if you are on the long side. But overall market Nifty has to cross 24,600 and Bank Nifty has to cross 52,600 decisively for me to call out that yes, we have made a firm bottom, or else still this market will take time till February to see the new budget and also to see how earnings will pan out in the next quarter when it comes, and then only we might see some amount of all-time highs. Till then, I will still be very cautious on overall market and I'll be very sector specific and stock specific, Saumit.
All right, with this, Mr. Rudramurthy, we'll let you go on that and would like to thank you for joining us today, sharing your take on the markets as well as your sectoral view as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.